Chicksky, what are we up to today? All right.
There's a YouTube video showing two guys scrambling it without rope. And it was four-wheel.
So are you going to take the car? What do you think?
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye. No.
Dang it.
I know.
That's another possibility. You go that far and you come down, but I'm not sure. I don't know.
On my sleeping pad.
Well, you got to start. Yeah, it
Jumped
is.
in and ran away.
And I'm thinking,
Oh, wow.
you know, if we were to sell
2 years from now. Now, here.
No, it isn't. He's back.
Don't you see his hair like flowing?
They said he was fast. So. Well, he's helping. I forgot to turn my freaking phone back on. What'd you get for gain coming up that, Jake, or did you? That one. Yeah, I missed this last section. I was just
Who would have thunk?
Sleep at the wall.
I'm not doing this again. I'll tell you what, like,
As soon as you get on the plane, it takes it all away.
so I heard that, but I don't know how.
I don't think
It's pretty straightforward, Brenda. Stay to your right.
longer to lose it.
You'll be good.
That would be really tough, right? Because yeah.
So it's just, the fin is just on the other side of this. Taking a different route, but I don't know how difficult that route is, so.
Shade, if you gotta pee, there's trees that way. Wondering where do we go from here?
Down.
We need to go down that. That's what I thought. I'm getting my pole.
do you drink beer?
Once in a while.
Uh-huh.
I'd shimmy left, Carol. Well, you're good. You're good.
Watch out, I'm gonna straddle this. There we go.
Job well done.
Yay.
Good
We
job.
made it.
Made it.
Nice work, Michael.
Yeah.
It just feels like it goes on.
Hi, how was it?
It was
That
good.
close
It
to
was
getting out my
nice.
head.
Nice walk.
Yeah. How's your hip?
Gave it a phone out.
Still the same. Here
Yeah.
for a chocolate chip cookie,
Oh, yeah.
They're awesome.
homemade by you.
Oh,
They're really good.
All of it.
Did anybody bring chicken or beer?
Oh, it's like it's sitting right there. Ooh, where's the beer at? It's over there. Oh. No, I was gonna say give it to Chick.
I haven't had a single thing to drink this year.
Good.
Alcohol-wise.
Good job.
So, Chick, I got a question for you. You pioneered this route originally?
Well, I'm sure I wasn't the original person. Rich Landers skied it from Canada down to Schweitzer
Well,
back in the 70s.
so you were the first to describe the route,
Yeah.
publish the route. Now, obviously, people had been on it before. What year did you do it?
Well, I have missed 3 years out of 41.
No kidding.
38 years.
11.05.
But your first time was 41 years ago?
Well, I did an extra mile.
Wow.
Yeah, we came up and we just climbed up to 71. And when it was late in the day and we weren't planning on going anywhere, so we went back down to the car. And boy, that next weekend we just did it.
What'd you get for mileage?
Did it.
Great.
All right.
Remember Tina, old girlfriend?